Yeah, you gotta videotape.
Alright.
Are you already videotaped? No, keep putting it on. Keep like.
Gob it on?
Yeah, just.
I've got
not gob.
more than enough.
No, just act like you're putting it on. Now, just keep digging in and act like. We're gonna cover all the audio up. Are you videotaping in? Don't look over at me though. Just look at him. Yeah, just act like you're putting it on there.
I'm really putting it on.
Well, don't though.
I got a lot of turtle wax on my head. It's kind of burning, actually.
Really?